Welcome to the Buster and Wingy Show at the mall, live from the mall.
Live?
With Wingy, and we just went to Showcase and got some fidgets and a surprise bag.
Fidgets in there.
Yes, so we're gonna see. Look, let's show them for $4.99. Check out this cool fidget sensory pack.
There's a poppin' or a blue mesh, whatever that is.
Let's open it. Open it up. Let's see what's in there.
Where are we gonna put this stuff once we open it?
In this bag. $4.99. You get, what did it say? 12 fidgets in there.
12 fantabulous fidgets.
They had some different ones, different fidgets inside the different bags.
I have to use my
Wingy chose this bag. Let's see what you got,
They
Wingy.
were all the same though, weren't they?
No, they were different.
Okay. Oh, one out at a time.
We got Heart Poppet.
Let's test how good it is. That's pretty good.
Okay, what else we get in there?
Poppability.
A pop tube. Whoa.
There's a lot of space. You can do that.
And what do we got here? What do you call those marble meshes? Whoa.
Jeez.
Sneezy weezies.
And the monkey noodle.
Monkey noodles.
Monkey noodle.
Very noodly.
Feel that. It's like textured.
Textured noodle.
Noodly.
Noodly. Noodly. Noodly.
Jeez.
I don't see it.
Little mini spinner.
A fidget spinner.
Let's see how long it spins. That's a pretty good spin.
What you got? More spinners.
More spins.
A Rubik's Cube.
Ooh, it's a mini Rubik's Cube. Ooh.
What do you call those?
Textured monkey noodle.
Textured monkey noodle?
It's like a dino.
Cool.
It looks evil.
What else do we got in here?
Ooh, wacky track.
A wacky track. Cool. Cool.
Cool.
Cool.
One of these little globbles.
A globble
It's not
ball.
really globble.
Should probably leave it in there so it doesn't get all full of fur. So cool.
What if
No,
it's-
if you threw it up there, you
I'm
would
not
never get it back
going to,
again.
but yeah.
You threw it up on that ceiling? No. Those things stick in there, not coming back.
Ever again?
And what's that?
Unless you're
What is that, a pea popper?
pea pooper.
And we got a pea popper. All of these fidgets were $4.99 at Showcase.
These are usually really hard, but this is actually really soft.
Yeah, it's a better quality one. And we got those at Showcase at the mall. Yay! Hold on. And we got this $20 Showcase surprise bag of fidgets and candy.
Edible and not edible.
We're gonna find out what's in it.
I don't know how I'm supposed to open it.
Open it up. Let's see if it's worth
I'll pull
it.
it one thing at a time.
Okay. What is it? Oh, one of those,
Water snake, I think.
a water snake.
Ooh.
Okay, what else is in there?
That reminds me of my big green stress ball. It's like the exact same stuff. Ooh. Click and snap.
Wacky track.
Wacky track.
Wacky track. What else you got in there?
Ooh, I don't have these.
What are those?
Like finger thingamajigs.
Okay, what else is in there?
Oh no, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It's like sour spray stuff.
Cool, Corgan will like that. Look, Corgan.
We're busting.
Candy spray, Buster.
What is it?
It's sour candy spray. You gonna spray it? Taste it?
Ooh.
What'd you get?
Mini little gummies, like
Gummies, fries gummies.
That's really cute.
Is there anything else in there?
There's one last thing.
What is it?
Ooh,
A chocolate bunny.
chocolate bunny. Can I eat that chocolate?
That's everything we got at the store, at the Showcase store.
Ooh.
Yay! Everything ended up costing like $20.
But it was good, I think.
Yeah, you happy about it?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the Buster and Wingy Show. Let's see if Buster likes this spray. You
Trying to
just
open it.
gonna spray it?
Can I try some too? Mom?
Hold on. You want to try some spray?
Yeah, I want to try some.
Buster's got his new knife.
Oh no.
Is it gonna come in handy already? Don't cut your fingy off.
I want to test this.
You gonna try it, Buster?
Yeah.
Close your knife out. Uh-oh. Did anything come out?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Is it supposed to be sour?
Is it?
No.
Not sour?
No.
Can I try it?
It's blue raspberry.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
I tested this.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh, no.
Try it.
Don't. Only give me like 1 squirt.
Ah. Let's see if I can. Did I get it in your face?
That's really good. It's not
Did-
sour. It's not sour at all.
Did it actually go in your mouth?
Yeah. Does it say sour on the back?
No, it just says blue raspberry.
Oh, okay.
So once again, thanks for watching the Buster and Maggie Show. Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe for more cookies and chocolate bunnies, maybe.
Ooh, chocolate bunnies.
Chocolate bunny.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.